Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is yet another SaaS app review session. In today's episode, we are going to review one of the best project management application out there for startups and small and medium scale businesses. If you are an individual or a large enterprise, you can still use this particular application. The application's name is Basecamp. It's one of the oldest running project management tool, I would say, or I would say that it has been around for quite a lot of time. So that way it's also reliable, and a lot of companies of all sizes, I would say, use Basecamp. We at Art Tutorials, we also use Basecamp for tracking our internal projects. And we can definitely vouch for it that it's one of the best project management tool out there that you can easily consider purchasing for your particular company or team. Let's review that particular application today. All right, so this is a website. I don't know if you guys are new here, but we have been using Basecamp ever since it was part of 37 Signals. That used to be the old name of that particular company. It's run by the guys who also run and they have founded Ruby on Rails. So it's pretty um, well known, I would say, in the technology world. So the application we are talking is Basecamp. It's an all-in-one remote toolkit for working remotely. It's absolutely amazing that the features, what I love about it and why we used this internally. It has got a lot of features that are required for mostly running any project of any size. Now, in our case, we have our team members who are remote. So that is one of the things that we need to be in sync. We need features like files, chat, group chat, stand up. We need to have tasks assigned. We should be able to track the task. We should have calendar, storage for files, and much more. So all these features are what makes a beautiful project management tool. So let's see what all Basecamp has to offer. And if you see, this is a beautiful screenshot. I would say that everything that you can see in one place, and I think that's, at least for a smaller team like ours, it really helps us. But like I said, irrespective of the size of the team, you can always use this particular tool. Now you can see there is message board where you can have discussions. You have to-do list, that is basically the entire task management module, I would say. Adding task, assigning tasks, tracking them, right? That's one of the core features that we need. You have group chat, and you can also ping individually. You have the docs and files where we store our files. Automatic check-ins, this is basically for the stand-up, if you would say that way. You have the calendar, updates, holidays, tracking, or deadlines that you have. So this is, I would say, this is everything that a particular team would need, especially a small and medium scale business, or individual or smaller teams, I would say, like startups, right? So that is one of the things. Now let's see about the important thing, which is pricing. I told you about the features, right? But you can check out more in terms of how it works. You can go there, you can see pings, activity, my stuff, find. You have everything. So they have a beautiful video out here. You can check it out, that also. So you can check out this video. I'm not going to run the video here in this video. All right, so that's something. So you have all the things that you need: message board, to do, schedule, automatic check-in, group chat, documents. Um, One of the things that I like is I would like to snooze it when I'm not working, so that work hours you can define. This is one of my favorite personal feature, that you don't get disturbed on Saturday, Sunday, no unnecessary messages or notifications. They have all the apps you can download. They have mobile apps, iOS, Android, Mac, and PC. So yeah, you can definitely learn from them. And there is also a tutorials that you can help and get. Talking about pricing. Now they have a flat price. They don't charge per user, and that's another thing that we love here, because we don't want to pay per user, because today, as your team increases, you don't want to have that overhead budget or expenses shooting up. Instead, Basecamp Business is available for $99 straight. So that's like 7,000 INR, right? So in $99 you can run your entire business, right? You can run all your projects, manage everything right in one application without any other expenses. And that is the beauty of it. No wonder millions of people and companies are using this particular application. You can also start. There is a free trial. So start with this, I would say. Start with the free trial. Get your team together. Give them a feel of what is it to work inside this application, because any enterprise or tool like this will take at least 10 to 15 days to get used to it, especially if you're shifting from some other systems. You see, it has everything that you need: unlimited projects, unlimited users, storage is 500 GB. Can you believe that? You have your company HQ. This is more or less like an entire feed that's running for your company. You have project templates, everything. All right. Yeah, so that's pretty much about this particular. So how much you can save money, you can see here. You can compare if you have Slack, Asana, Dropbox, Google Suite. All of this, if you pay per user, it comes $200 for 5 people. And small companies like Arc Tutorials, we find it much better to run it on a $99 flat month. Also, if you are even smaller, right, you can sign up for Basecamp Personal. So if you are trying to use this project management tool for personal projects or student freelancers, you can use this. But here the restriction is that there is 1 GB storage, only 20 users, and only 3 projects. Right? So this is the only restriction that it has. Otherwise, everything else should be good. But I would suggest that you upgrade to the business plan. That's the one of the coolest things that you can provide to your team. That's all about this particular review of the SaaS app. This is, like I said, this is one of the best project management tools out there. Go ahead, give it a try. You may start loving it like we do here at Arc Tutorials. Thank you so much for joining in today's episode. My idea behind these review sessions is to bring you and discover new apps which you can use for your team, for your personal use, and make your life easy. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode, where we'll keep bringing you such useful apps for you. Do explore the project management tool Basecamp. Thank you.